Thank you for calling the Civil and Family County Court Contact Centre. For court addresses and opening times, please go to justice.gov.uk. For leaflets and guidance, including forms and fees, please go to direct.gov.uk. Please note that we are unable to give legal advice and that all calls will be recorded for training and quality purposes. If your call relates to documents or correspondence that has been sent to the court within the last 10 working days, including any...
please, if you don't mind.
Yeah, if you want to bear with me for a second.
Thank you.
And if you could have the case reheard. First, I do warn you that you are trying to have contact with your child who was adopted, and local authority have made it very clear that it's not within the child's best interest at the moment for him to have further contact. So you'd have to really show strong grounds.
Yeah, it's because the adoption first says this time the adoption might be breaking down, and
the problem is the court's interest is interested in his needs and his welfare. And,
yeah, I can understand that.
Yeah. So you're
to be honest, that is what I'm trying.
In his best interest to have contact with you as the birth mother.
Yeah.
And unless you can prove that, the problem is the local authority who looks out for his welfare say that they don't think at this moment in time it's in his best interest to be further subjected to court hearings and to have sort of further issues regarding contact with you at the moment.
Yeah.
I'm not going to go into the ins and outs of it because obviously it's not my decision. The judge makes the decision. But if you want to have your application reheard, you're going to have to make a C2 application very quickly, and we can refer it to the judge if you say you didn't receive the hearing date. But I can tell you that we did send you out the order. We've got your correct address on record. It's up to the judge to decide whether to have the case heard again.
Is there any chance that could have been...
the fact that the local authority doesn't support the contact taking place with you. It considers it too disruptive to and that he needs to concentrate on his studies, and he's got a lot going on at the moment. And I think it just says that his wishes and it just needs to be kind of like, he needs a settling in period. He just needs to sort of live his life at the moment. You're entitled to make any applications you wish. We'll certainly refer it to the judge. Ask you to reflect on the order.
I was going to say
as well. Okay, Mr.
sorry, you said that was definitely sent. Is there any chance that could have been sent in another envelope and that it's just not made it to my house?
No.
There isn't?
No. But, you're entitled to make your application. If you say you didn't receive notice of the hearing date, it'll be entirely for the judge to decide whether...
Yeah, because I would have definitely attended.
Yeah, but my problem is, what I'm saying to you is I just want you to be aware of the chances of success with an application, considering you're paying every time to have this case brought back into court, and you have to pay because obviously the process we have to go through, and it requires, an expense. So you need to think, are you going to be successful with this application? How much it's going to cost you? But you're entitled to still make whatever application you wish. The application was dismissed by the judge. The judge didn't. It's entirely up to you. I can't say any more than that. I'm an age now, and I think sometimes, he may just need a little bit of space. All right. So you want to go away, have a think about it. The options are there for you. You can certainly make an application, like I said.